Hey everyone, for these brooches I started with some DIY transfer paper for light fabrics and then printed out some of my favorite images onto it. You can use an inkjet printer, just make sure to reverse the image if you're printing words on your brooches. Next, I transferred it onto some white cotton fabric so the image was nice and bright. Heat transfers are cool release, so wait for it to cool down before you peel off the backing. Cut them into patches. For stiffness, I'm cutting 2 layers of some leftover black canvas for each brooch. Now my secret for making them super sturdy, I'm going to add some good felt beading foundation from John Bead in between the layers of canvas. Remember, you still have to stitch through them, but you do want them to be nice and flat and sturdy. Once I've made my fabric layers for each brooch, I'm going to stitch around the images to give them some interest. Use matching or contrasting thread here and a straight stitch. Cut them out to the shapes you want to use with heavy-duty scissors. Now my favorite part, which is adding the Czech Seed beads and rhinestones to give them dimension and sparkle. Again, use contrasting or matching colors, it's up to you. You can also use different size Czech beads here. For this brooch, I'm mimicking the colors and patterns with matching beads, and I really like how it adds dimension to each image. Now I'm adding some Crystal Lane flatback gems to give them a little sparkle. Use as many as you want, it's personal preference here. To make sure my threads are secure, I like to add Freay check to the backs of my brooches. I love this stuff. Cut one more layer of good felt the size of the brooch for the back, and using larger Czech seed beads, stitch the beads one by one around the edge of all the layers. This is a really nice finishing touch, and because the beads are larger, it doesn't take much time at all. If you want, you can even add one more layer of the good felt to cover up the stitched edges on the back. That's what I did here, but you don't have to. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.